Is Dota 2 down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have trouble with Dota 2 right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Dota 2 right now. If you try to go to Google to down Detector, you will see that right now there are over 3,000 reports, and most reported problems are at server connection and to login. If you scroll down, you will see some comments from people who also have trouble with Dota 2 right now. So in conclusion, you are not the only one who has issues with Dota 2. You don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues, you can comment in the comment section down below if it's still down or if it's working right now. If you have some questions, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.